Okay guys, welcome to this video. So this is the reason why most people fail in meme coin trading. Most people trade meme coins like altcoins. They put in their money and then they go back to sleep thinking that it's a long-term game that is gonna pump, it's gonna go down and then go back up again. But it doesn't happen that way. The meme coins, 99.9% of meme coins on their screen are just for fun, they are just scam, they don't have any utility, no use case at all. So people are just putting it there for quick gains and all that. And if you are coming into the market, you should also be coming in with that same mindset to take your profit, to grow your capital gradually, not just to supply your income in 100x or 200x. No, you can start with maybe zero point 0.1 SOL, increase it to zero point 0.2 SOL or zero point 0.5 SOL gradually, because you're gonna fail some, you're gonna lose some trades, and you're gonna win some. But most people just come in thinking that once they buy it, maybe they are lucky enough to get in here, and they are thinking it's gonna go up forever. No, it's not gonna go up forever. It's gonna go up and then come down. That's meme coin for you. But let's just say that you are not able to get in here. Let's just say that you got in at this place and then it printed 2s or 3s, maybe at this retracement here, and it gave you 2s or 3s. Just get out, take your money and get out and look for another trade, because up to 1000 meme coins have been launched on that screen now on daily basis. So why stick on one when you know for sure that it's going to still come down and take all your capital? Other people are going to take your capital as their own profit. So instead of waiting for that, just hop in and then hop out. But let's just say that you got in here, maybe you are a beginner and you got in here, which is already at the top, and then you see that the coin is going down. There's no sign of retracement at all. Just cut your loss, maybe here, just cut your loss and get out. So it's better to lose quarter or half of your capital than to lose everything to the market. Just cut your loss and move on to the next trade. Or maybe you might see this retracement here and you think it's gonna go up, but if you see what happened there, just continue going down. So for me, the best thing to do is to cut your loss and move on to the next trade. So let's look at another one. This is Radiant. Now, if you look at what happened here, this project was launched on December 4th December, but it did nothing. Many people lost hope on the coin, on the meme coin, and on January 22nd, it started going up. Just 2 days. Okay, that was from 22nd January 24th. That's 2 days, or you can say 27. That's about 5 days or so. So assuming you got into this coin here, into this meme coin here, and nothing happened, you either take your profit, or if you want to play it, if you want to play the long-term game with meme coin, make sure to be checking your wallet on daily basis. This is one of the reasons why you hear that maybe somebody made 1 point something million with $500 by investing $500 on meme coin, and the person lost it all. It's not that those people saw those money and didn't take profit. There, yeah, some do that. Some do see the money and still believe it's gonna go up more. While some people, they didn't know. They just maybe went to sleep, and the next morning the coin has pumped massively and then dumped immediately. So they were not aware of the pump. They didn't see the pump. They didn't witness it. So this same thing happened here. We say for days, not just days, for up to 1 month, the coin did nothing, and all of a sudden it started rallying and just rallied for 2 3 days, and then it's going back down again. So assuming this coin is in your wallet and you are not monitoring it, you are not checking it, that means you would lose all this pump, and maybe by the time you go back to check your wallet, you will be in loss, or maybe just be coming down to your entry target again, which is very bad. So always make sure to look at your bags every now and then to know what's happening. Okay, now if you look at this one too and see what happened there, this one was going up and retracing, then got up to this place. Once you see the peak, like you will know, there will be a lot of struggles there, and then finally the coin will start going down. And if you notice what happened, it got down to this resistance, and this place has been holding for a very long time. It got there, went up again, came down, broke it, went up. It's now ranging at that region, but the overall trend is still downtrend. So that means the coin is still going down. As you can see, still going down, and it just got to this resistance trend line. Got to this trend line, and it's a resistance line as well. So it's gonna push it down unless otherwise happens. Now, if you look at this one now, okay, most people will say they will trade this like normal altcoin, thinking that it's gonna go up since they saw a retracement here that it's gonna go up. But this thing is currently at a support region, which is now a resistance, and at the same time it's also on a downtrend, as you can see. So we have two confluences here that's gonna push this price further down. So this one is the resistance line, two resistance line, support that is now turned resistance, and this trend line. All of them will still push this price down. It's not the line that will do it, but people are seeing this the same way I saw this and plotted it. Other people are seeing it, and they will take their profit in order not to lose further. They will just take the profit they made from here and then get out of the market and look for another meme coin to go into and suck from. So if you're on this trade, you can as well maybe take some profit or take all your profit and get out instead of waiting for it thinking that it's gonna go up. Maybe it will still go up, I don't know. But another thing is the liquidity here is not locked, which is one big red flag. As you can see, it's not locked. So if I'm on this trade, I'm out already. At this region, I'm out. I won't even go into this trade at all for the fact that the liquidity is not locked. But if I happen to see myself or someone I know in this trade, I'll just tell the person to get out and look for another trade to go into. So that is it. So most of the reason why people fail on Memecoin is they are trading it like altcoins. But this is just the gambling part of crypto. You're just coming here to gamble. It's a lock. Like you just if you don't see the coin here, every other thing here is a lock. You can still meet the coin here and still not make any profit. It's possible. And you can still meet the coin here and still make maybe 2x or 3x. And if you don't take profit, you lose the whole thing. You get. But for you to see it from here, that means you have to go over to pump.fun, which is very risky. And for you to get a good meme coin that will even later migrate to desk screener, it's very, very hard to do. You have to go with a lot of tools and a lot of strategies to get that. So, but if you can't go over there, and if you're trading just that screener, just make sure to take your profit once you see a 2x or 3x. Thereabout. Or even if you don't want to take your whole profit, just take small, or maybe bring out your capital, take your capital out, and leave the other ones to run. And then one more thing is, as you're trading, you're gonna make mistakes. It is normal. Even in altcoin trading, investment, everything about finance, you're gonna make mistakes. It's general in life. So once you make mistake, the difference there is that some people make mistakes, they learn from it, and then they avoid that mistake when they see it the next time. But most people, they'll make a mistake, they won't even journal their trade, they won't even take record of that mistake. The mistake will keep on coming back for you so that you learn. And if you don't learn, it will keep on repeating itself. You still be making that same mistake because you've not taken note of this thing, so it will keep on coming back to you till you learn from it. So let's say that you made a mistake, just learn from it, take your trade. If you can do this, if you don't have time to write it down, you can come over to test and then write something here. Once you write it, maybe I I didn't take profit. I didn't take profit on time. write it and put it somewhere here. See, change it to white and just put it somewhere here and screenshot this so that you will be remembering that you didn't take profit. That's why you lost all your gains. So once you see this kind of a thing, it will also motivate you to take profits on your next trade. So guys, this is one of the things you need to avoid in order to maximize your gains while trading meme coins. If you enjoyed this video, kindly hit the subscribe button and smash that like button for me. Let's go. See ya. Thank you.